So this instrument that I have here today is called a cajon, and this comes from South America. And to play this, you sit upon it and you hit for different sounds. So you have a high snare-like sound and a low sound. The next instrument that I have is a djembe, and this is a smaller djembe. It's made of skin and it has the string to pull it down there. Now to make the sound, you put this bit between your legs so that it can vibrate, and then you have different sounds on the edge, as you do to the middle. Lower sound in the middle, higher on the edge. So these drums here, we've got two different types. The smaller ones, which are more handheld, are called bongos. And then the two bigger ones are called congas. And they work quite well together. So this instrument here is called the drum kit, and it's made up of lots of different components of different drums. So our metallic instruments here are our cymbals. So we can hit them, and choke them. This one here is a hi-hat because we have a pedal which can bring it down together. Then the different drums as such are the toms. We also have the snare drum, which has a loud kind of sound, and that can be played with the stick across. We also have one that we kick with our right foot, which is called the bass drum. And when we put them all together, we get to play the whole drum kit.